from Cape Charles Lake to Virginia, North Carolina border out to 20 nautical miles. Coastal waters from North Carolina, Virginia border to Currituck Beach Light, North Carolina out 20 nautical miles. Currituck Sound. Waters from Cape Charles Lake to Virginia, North Carolina border from 20 to 40 nautical miles. Waters from North Carolina, Virginia border to Currituck Beach Light, North Carolina from 20 to 40 nautical miles until 1:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 12:07 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated a line of strong thunderstorms, capable of producing winds to nearly 50 knots, located along a line extending from Latimer Shoal to 18 nautical miles north of the mouth of the Perquimans River, moving east at 40 knots. Locations impacted include Knots Island Bay, Currituck Sound, Chesapeake Lake Tower, Triangle Reef, Deal Island, Anglo-African Wreck, Virginia Beach Oceanfront, Hot Dog Area off Virginia Beach, Ruby Inlet, Salt Tower, Currituck Beach, Bowie 4A Dry Docks, Currituck Beach Light, Horseshoe, Sandbridge, 10 nautical miles east of Virginia Beach Oceanfront and Fishhook. As thunderstorms move over the water, boaters can expect gusty winds and high waves. Move to safe harbor or stay close to shore until the storms pass. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 1:00 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for northeastern North Carolina, southeastern Virginia, the adjacent coastal waters. A severe thunderstorm watch also remains in effect until 1 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the adjacent coastal waters.
Double header.
The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Chincoteague to Paramore Island, Virginia, L 20 nautical miles. Coastal waters from Paramore Island to Cape Charles Lake, Virginia, L 20 nautical miles until 1:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 12:08 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated a line of strong thunderstorms, capable of producing winds to 45 knots, located along a line extending from near Watts Island to Cape Charles Light, moving east-northeast at 40 knots. Locations impacted include Bone Rack, Cape Charles Light, Assateague Beach, Sandshell Inlet, Quintby Inlet, Paramore Island, Great Machipongo Inlet, Wanchapreague Reef, Shipshell Inlet, Blackfish Reef, Wanchapreague Inlet, and Chincoteague. As thunderstorms move over the water, boaters can expect gusty winds and high waves. Move to safe harbor or stay close to shore until these storms pass. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 1 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for southeastern Maryland, southeastern Virginia, and the adjacent coastal waters. A line of strong